Hey everyone, this is Dr. Magico Physical Therapist, and I'm here to show you how to be your own body architect and how to get the hat. To continue the previous episode,
if you still remember it anyway.
But first thing first, you will have to recognize that I'm here to find you the best, simple and easy way to get you into the shape that you are dreaming of. Okay, let's get started. This is gonna be a long episode, so I'm gonna divide it into two to what?
فاكر يا اخويا تو ايه؟
Into two parts. So I'm gonna divide this episode into two parts. When we talk about food, we got three main types to discuss. The first one is that type of foods which have no matter and nothing to do at all with calories. This type doesn't give you any calories. It actually contains calories, but the enzyme of the human being cannot digest this type of food. But actually they are so important, but in such other things like vitamins, minerals and so on. But when we talk about nutrition, this type of food play a big role. It has a unique feature in it because it gives us no calories. We can use it as a trick way to fill your stomach to kill down the feeling of hunger, but in reality you had no energy from them. These guys are the fibers and most of vegetables. But about fruits, you can use them along the day, but also not too much because if they contain a little bit extra amount of sugar, so let it 3 times a day. So what we're gonna do here is to trick our body by using this kind of feature and fill our hunger without getting the energy we really need. So now your body gonna be forced to use the stored calories because now your stomach is filled off and we have no empty space for any meal now, and on the other hand we have no enough energy from the food you have eaten. So the question here is what your body's gonna do now.
What I'm gonna do about this now? What I'm gonna do now? What I'm gonna do now? I got no energy. What should I do?
So now your mind is gonna use the second plan, and this plan actually he don't like to use it usually, except if you force him to do this. So here is the point, you have to force your mind to use this plan. So now your mind is gonna turn the stored fats into energy to use it, and that's why also I told you in the previous episode,
Do never ever
eat in the first hour of your work out, because now your mind is really in need of energy, and he will get it from what? If you give him the food so easily, he will use it. But if you force him and give him the empty stomach, the stomach full of maybe water and some vegetables and those guys, he will get the energy from the stored fats. And I told you how to maximize your needed energy in the previous episode. And also I'm gonna dive deeper and deeper in this in the coming episodes. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.
Share.
So do you got the whole idea of the fibers and the vegetables? Keep this in mind because we're gonna need it in the next episode when we talk about the second and the third type and the whole meal that we're gonna make. So until then, stay tuned, stay safe, and also don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends.
Share it.
And don't forget the hat. Oh my god, what is that? See you soon and peace.
Yeah.